Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So I was actually walking on my roof and also waiting for my cab. So I like to walk in the nature and spend time in an open sky. So my cab was about to come. So I was I think walking. So there I realized eagles are trying to target me, trying to hit me. Then I thought, no, maybe I am overthinking. Why would they target me? These are animals, these are birds, they cannot do that. So for the first time when they attacked me, I was able to save myself, and then this incident started happening again and again, that too on a daily basis, regular basis. Then I think after a month's time, I came in this acceptance. Yeah, they are attacking me. I'm not overthinking about this. But how is this happening? Is there somebody who is trying to do black magic and again using these birds to attack me, to kill me? Because see, eagles are big birds, large birds. They are even scariest. So and then if they hit you, you will be definitely injured in a bad way. So then I was thinking, how is this even possible? How come somebody using these birds into black magic, and is this really true? So when I came in this acceptance, these birds are really targeting me and trying to hit me. So I started wearing cap and then walking on my roof. So when I was wearing cap, they were not attacking. And the day I forgot to wear the cap, they were definitely attacking. And all of a sudden in my area, there were only few eagles, but all of a sudden there were a bunch of many eagles and few other birds. So one day, okay, so now as it's been a month's time that I started staying inside my house itself, I was feeling caged. Why is this happening? I like to be in an open space. That's why I've taken this property, and now these eagles are targeting me, and I can't stop them. And what to do about this now? So during daytime, I was targeted by the eagles, and during night time I was targeted by the bats, and these bats were too large. I've never seen such bats that too in that size. So during weekends I had this habit of lying on the roof itself and looking towards the sky. Now this was also stopped. I was not able to come outside my house, neither daytime nor even during night time, and I was feeling suffocated now. So I had two rooms and there were two doors. So one door could open towards the balcony. So I had to sometimes look whether the cab is there or not, because most of the time these drivers were far away from my place, and then they were calling me to come down to the stairs. So I thought of looking outside from the balcony. That time I realized these eagles were again attacking. So it kept on happening for a month time, and I was not able to come outside my house. Oh, and when I was going outside my house for taking my office cab, that time I was wearing cap. I had to wear that. Even when I was getting down from the office cab in my office premises, there on the ground floor there were a lot of open space. There also they were targeting, so I had to wear cap, and I was feeling awkward that I have to wear cap, wherein other people also recognized that I am being targeted by these birds and every day. So that was weird thing for me, but I had to wear cap every day. So after a month, I thought, let's go outside and again walk. Maybe they might not attack. And so when I looked towards on the roof, I saw that there were no bird, no eagle, and that's why I came outside. And I was just looking towards the balcony or downstairs. Then I realized there was one eagle sitting in front of me on somebody's other's flat, and one eagle was sitting behind my back. There I realized now they have teamed up and they are trying to attack me from both the sides. So what they were doing, they were trying to hit on my head only. That was my realization. And now the moment I realized, now they have teamed up. They said, you attack from this side and I will attack from that side. So I realized that, and I started running towards my room. So the moment I ran away, I was heavily attacked by both the birds, and they were able to touch my head. As soon as these birds attacked me from both the sides, I ran very fast towards my room and fell on the ground. So due to falling on the ground, my right hand got injured and I got some scratches on other parts of the body, due to which my hand remained bandaged for several days. So as this was such a weird thing I was experiencing, I thought maybe somebody's doing black magic and trying to use these birds to attack me. But when these birds were able to touch my head, that's what they were planning. So I called one of my friend's father who was into astrology. So I told him this has happened, and is there any sort of a spiritual meaning? So he wasn't aware. Then he checked his someone else who had maybe more knowledge than him. So he said, this is something good. If we talk about spirituality, you will hear some sort of good news within 30 to 45 days. So today I told him about this incident wherein I was hit by these eagles, and next day or within few days another incident happened. There was a shop just outside my society's gate, so I went there to purchase milk because for tea coffee, and it was around 7 a.m. in the morning. So I thought maybe I don't need to wear cap and I can just go and quickly return to home. There something else has happened. So while returning home from that shop, there three crows attacked my head, that too three times. So there were group of crows wherein I saw that there were three crows who attacked my head, that too three different times. And now the moment they were trying to attack me fourth time, one man who was driving a scooty came in between, and this man started looking towards those crows as if he can catch those birds and start slapping. So I started laughing, wherein it was something weird incident, because in my religion they have some sort of different sort of belief systems when somebody's head is being hit by crows. So it is said in our religion that if a crow hits someone's head with its beak, that person actually dies within 6 months. And this I already heard so many times in my family. And then I called the same uncle, my father's friend, and I told him. And now he was saying, oh, this has, not something good to hear that this happens. So he started repeating the same statement that a person dies within 6 months if a crow does this kind of, incident or attacked by this way. So I said, no, don't worry, nothing like that will happen. So by the divine, I was guided to share these incidents with this uncle, because he had a lot of wrong belief systems about spirituality, though he was not a right person, I would say. I have already talked about him, I guess. So what has happened when he started repeating the same statement? So I told him, no, don't worry about this, nothing like this will happen. I just wanted to check, is there any other spiritual meaning if a crow hit its head of a person? So now these were two back-to-back incidents wherein I was heavily attacked by, first through eagles and now by crows. So by this time I was still going to the office, and on 22nd March 2020 it was lockdown declared in our city, and we all went work from home. So as I was new in this company and I didn't had much work, so I was not assigned laptop till now. So I was working through system only. So I did not work intentionally for a week time or for 15 days, because they asked me to use my personal laptop. So if I will use my personal laptop, IT department will install some sort of software, and I do have my personal data, so I did not want that. So I was not left with any other option, and I kept on getting some calls from office employees who I was dealing with, because there was a software installed into my personal mobile phone through which I used to call and I used to receive calls. So I started feeling bad. No, the work is unnecessary being hampered, so I should start using my laptop. So I started working either after 10 days or after 15 days, I exactly do not remember. So as I was given this information about me being a starseed, I was, again, it was afternoon time. I was sleeping. All of a sudden, I heard the voice, from the spaceship, and they said, good morning. So all of a sudden, I woke up and I said, it's, good afternoon. I thought maybe, it's a human voice, or that's why they're saying, good morning. And then there I realized, no, it was a wake up call. They were just sort of, it was a greeting that we are glad that you are woke up, you are awakened now. So it was a good morning. That's why they said, good morning. And because of these earth timing, I said it was good afternoon. And then after that, it was first time when I heard the spaceship voice, and since then I always used to see aliens, these star seeds images in my room, sometimes on the curtain, sometimes on the walls, and also I can see them that they are standing there. And then I had a lot of other communication, because I was given several other information about star seeds. So as I was guided to do some sort of research about these my particular type of star seeds, so that I can now start learning to know who I really am, and also was given several other information when it comes about star seed particular type. So I was told which type of star seed I am, and then I started doing research about it, and I realized that everything was matching what I was able to find out on the internet, about this particular this star seed type. Also, I realized I have got several birthmarks on my physical body, which are related to these star seed system only. So yes, I used to notice these birthmarks since my childhood, and I found it quite weird. So I realized there is one particular markings which is a sign of planet Venus, and other is with the this star seed type. But then I do not give a lot of importance to these birthmarks, because I also saw birthmarks on reptilians, and also negative entities who exist on Earth as humans. So as their agenda is to keep you stuck, they do not want you to ascend. So this is being done intentionally. They will try to have such birth markings which resembles exact like yours, so that you think they are your type, they are good people, and their agenda is to trick you in every possible way. So I had to do study about these star seeds, and also I had to do several sort of activations when I was given this information, because I was guided about this. And then after this, another thing happened. I was surprised to see that in my previous video I have talked about a masculine who was able to see my soul. What I saw when I was working, so that he is a galactic being, and also there were 4 to 5 members who were also awakened about their thing that they are star seeds. Now surprising thing was about me, that how come they all know each other that they are star seeds. And as per my information, this person, a masculine who was able to see my soul, he also went through awakening in 2020 itself. But I was questioning about other 4 people. They were more in age, around 50s and almost about to be 60s. So maybe the concern was, how come they are in a group, they know each other, they are awakened being, and they are star seeds, different star seeds. And also they were trying to teach spiritual topics like yin yang during our meeting when it was happening for the entire organization, and they were in a lot of gratitude. So I realized that he is such a highly spiritual being. That's why he was able to look into my soul. And there I realized one more thing, that when I was given this information after my spiritual awakening, that I have never been alone on this planet. There were people from either from the same soul tribe, or from the same star seed system. So I found 2 people in my own personal group, wherein one friend was again a star seed but was unawakened, and he will not go through awakening in this lifetime due to certain reasons. But another friend of mine, who's again a star seed, his in his life traumatic incidents started happening since 2020, back to back death and cheating in the business, lot more other things were happening in his life. So I realized it is time for his awakening also. But I have seen not everybody understand the real meaning and importance of spiritual awakening. So I knew that this person is such a nice person, has been good and kind towards me, but also genuinely a right person, and also been a spiritual person. But then as the way he was going through back to back traumatic incidents, there you have to learn a lot of things. It is time to learn lessons. But I think he did not do that. Still, as he was going, there were 3 back-to-back deaths of his family members. That's what I remember. So same way as I was concerned about that I have never been alone, there are my own people on this planet, even in this journey. Same way, this masculine who was able to see my soul, he recognized me somehow, that I am also same kind of a person, probably a star seed. So now what he did, he started asking entire organization, start sharing your story, wherein when you help animals, you help poor, and you support kids in their education, what sort of social service you do. And sharing your picture is must. So I, being a star seed and empath, I can always recognize when somebody's face is there. Probably same thing he thought, and I was I was feeling a lot of energy push that I should share my story. But no, I hold it back. Why? Because there were several reasons. One, I knew I met this person in 2019, so till the time by that time this game of 10 year was not ended, and I knew everybody I have met are temporary people in my life. Another, before going on this 10 years of painful journey, I gave a commitment to divine that once this game is over, I will not be reaching out to anyone no matter what, because during this 10 years of time I was the one who was picking up on people, I was the one who was reaching out to people, because they didn't had any option to talk to me, because people have been scared of me, and they realize they cannot talk to me even though if they want to. So that was another reason that I decided not to connect with him, and in case if he himself will connect with me, then definitely I will talk to him. But as he was part of the top management, so I had this acceptance, this person cannot reach out to me personally, and I will not connect with him. That was so sure. So for 2 years, I guess he kept on trying. Somehow maybe someday I will show myself that I have also been doing such things, because if you are an empath, if you're a light worker, star seed, you are doing such services, and I have been doing it since my childhood. But as there were a lot of energy push, and also immediately after my spiritual awakening, I started getting the flashbacks of past life memories, that he and I have again worked together, and it has always been this kind of relationship, boss and employee. So I have been with him this way, work relationships in so many past lives, and again we are here. So as I had this realization after my awakening also, that every job of mine was selected by divine, and every house was decided by divine. So everything is being done by divine, and if divine wish me to connect with this person, divine will create some sort of event, but I will not be connecting with this person no matter what. So there I maintained distance. I kept on working with this company, but I never connected to him, and he never reached out to me. So first, initially I was given this information about me being a star seed, and then later on I was given information about being on a twin flame connection, twin flame journey. So I will keep on sharing the experiences after spiritual awakening, as there are a lot of information. So this masculine who was able to see my soul is again a star seed, and that too highly spiritual being. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.